Ever wonder why most creator cameras fail? Canon EOS R10 locks focus, boosts views, and ends frustration. Ever feel like your current camera is secretly holding you back without you even noticing? Like every clip is almost there, but never quite sharp enough, never quite in focus when it matters, and your confidence quietly drains with every missed moment? My friend Sarah literally cried after another failed family shoot. Comment "stuck" if you know that exact feeling right now. What if one single change could quietly eliminate all that frustration, stop the missed shots, end the blurry vlogs, and finally give you footage so clean people think you hired a pro without forcing you to learn anything new? Imagine the weight lifting off your chest the first time it just works. Comment "ready" if you're dying for that freedom. Don't just buy any mirrorless camera. Make sure it has dual pixel CMOS AF, 2 with deep learning subject detection, so you never suffer from hunting, drifting, or missed focus ever again. That's exactly what the Canon EOS R10 delivers the second you hit record. One travel vlogger I know switched, pointed it at his face while running through Tokyo streets. Focus stayed glued to his eye the entire chaotic take. Another wildlife girl told me she finally nailed razor-sharp eagle flight shots at 23 frames per second that made her cry happy tears. Native 4K oversampled from 6K, animal eye AF that actually works on dogs and birds, 15 frames per second mechanical burst that never misses the decisive moment, and the RFS 18 to 150mm kit lens that goes from wide vlog to 240mm reach without ever swapping glass. It's stupidly lightweight, charges via USB-C, and feels like cheating. Here's your bonus tip. Turn on raw burst mode with pre-shooting and you'll never miss the exact peak moment again. Keep reading for proof this changes everything. Right now, thousands of creators are waking up to crisp, confidence-exploding footage every single day with the Canon EOS R10. Top reviewer Chris literally said, "I retired my $3,000 full frame after 1 week with the R10. The autofocus is that good." A mom I know grabbed it for family videos and accidentally started a 50,000 follower reel account because the colors and focus were so addictive. Another full-time YouTuber told me on the phone last night, "Bro, my watch time jumped 40% literally overnight. People can't stop watching when it looks this clean." The joy of 23 frames per second silent shooting birds in flight, the pure dopamine of IAF that just works on your dog, your kid, your client every time is unreal. Stock is disappearing faster than ever because word is spreading like wildfire. Which of these 3 features would save you the most pain right now? 1. Never miss dual pixel IAF. 2. 23 frames per second that captures the impossible moment. 3. All-in-one 18 to 150mm that replaces 5 lenses. Comment 1, 2, or 3 below. I'm reading every single one. Stock is dangerously low, and thousands of creators have already claimed theirs this week. Many are watching this video right now, deciding to finally end a frustration. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, grab your Canon EOS R10 kit, and feel the insane difference in the first 5 minutes. Or keep watching everyone else pull ahead while you wait. This is your moment. Comment "claimed" the second you secure yours. I can't wait to see your first mind-blowing clip.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.